Hi, this is Avery.
Hi, this is Dexter.
And we're from Little Big Voyagers. We're right now opening up some toys.
Which is the Zuru Mini Brands.
So basically they're just tiny toys. There is one that I'm hoping to get. Avery, which one was your favourite?
Well, I think I really like this because if you've seen them, the Zuru Mini Surprise are actually, they look exactly like this.
I'm opening a series 1.
And I'm opening a series 2.
Now we're going to unwrap it. I'm going to go first now. First, the best tip is to find this little bit, okay? And just
it's like
zip,
a zip,
we call it. Then just pull it down. Oh, that went a little bit bad.
It's alright.
You just got to pull it fully down, like. But is it done with you as well? Seriously, our zip's just broken. The last step after all of that, after the zip, and then after the wrapping paper underneath it, you go to this bit, and then all you have to do is rip it, then take it away, and then put it on the ground, and then, ready? Oh no, it's falling apart. Then, like bananas, you just pull them off. Like, Avery's gonna open hers. Let's see what you get.
Oh, it's the same.
We have 2 of them. We have 2 now. They actually, it's like they've just shrunk the packet. Look, like they've literally just shrunk the packet and then just made their own clay model of it and just put it inside. That's what they've basically done.
That's my one. Dexter's gonna open the second one, which is actually number 1.
Now ready?
Yep, now it's just gonna...
Oh, another replica. Seriously, this is going weird. So we got this, same as this one.
No.
Now, we don't really know much about this.
So if
any of you subscribers, can you comment down below and tell us what this is? Now,
cross your fingers for me.
Okay.
Let's do this. Don't pop it. So it's don't pop the balloon. Oh. But you need to put sticks. Let's show the YouTube.
If any of you have this game, can you comment down below, tell us, scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like it, okay? Now I'm gonna open this one now. I hope there is something I think I already see it anyways. Something I really want. It's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle action figure. I really want one of them. Now ready? Fingers crossed. It's a flamingo! Flamingo!
I've always wanted the flamingo.
Now the alpaca can have a little friend, the flamingo. Now Avery's gonna do hers.
Oh, let's hope it's something different. No!
Oh, we already got this one. It's a basketball one. Now, everybody, I really hope I'll get Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle in this one. Please be it. Now, give me luck.
Give you luck, brother.
It's a frisbee.
It's a mini frisbee.
A weird, some kind of frisbee, I think. Ready? Oh, please be something different. It's
SpongeBob with glasses.
Yep. It's a SpongeBob SquarePants glasses.
Glasses.
Now, everybody, I really hope there's this character I really want. That I hope it is. I think I already told you, but please. Oh no, it's a hula hoop.
And it's a hula hoop.
Never expected that in a million years.
Now I'm gonna open the last one.
She got.
It is a fun we got the most rarest one actually.
It's
Can you hold it up?
a thing. So this one is what my sister got. And we have something very similar. That was the most rarest one in season 1. That my mum opened up actually on the first day. She was the one that started the collection. She loves Bob stuff like my sister. Okay, this is the last one. Please be the one I really want. It's a miracle. It is not. Oh, it's a. Oh, this one's quite cool actually. It's a not really collect this, honestly.
So if you know what it is, please tell us it.
Yeah, comment down below if you know what this is, because none of us knows what this is. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe.